It's time for the cube challenge.
Okay.
Actually, we're not doing the cube challenge.
Hey guys, welcome back to Trey Adair here. So
Thank you.
I was working on my float for school. It's like a state thing. And we went to the Staples store to get something from my float. And on the way there, I didn't even notice this, but show them what you got, Johnny. You got a Rubik's Cube.
Me and my brother got a Rubik's Cube too.
Come on, sit closer over here.
Because we got together as a family.
Yes, okay. So,
me and brother are apart.
Like he said at the beginning of the video, we are doing a Rubik's Cube challenge. As you saw in my last video, I wasn't good at it. But that was like 2 days ago.
No, it was not.
Yeah, it was.
How many minutes?
I don't know. I forgot. Let me check it out.
Fight!
Alright, stop.
Fight!
Stop. Alright,
We're
so
about to do
get
it.
ready.
Okay.
I scrambled it up for him. Scoot over. Come on. Scoot this way. Here.
What?
Here. Alright, I scrambled it up for him. And then we're going to start the Rubik's Cube challenge. In 3, 2,
Butter.
Make sure they see it.
Butter.
Hey, stop.
I can put
Johnny.
it close to my face.
Johnny,
what?
We're going to do it in front of them. Okay? Okay. Rubik's Cube challenge it. Make sure they see it. See what you're doing too. Okay? In 3, 2, 1. Go.
Go.
I'm just doing it randomly. Make sure they see it.
Brother, I got 2. Then it makes 4.
Yeah, you got 2.
Now I have 5
Oh, I am so close. Keep going, Johnny. Don't worry about me. What do you mean?
I can't.
Yeah, you
It's
can.
hard.
It's not hard.
Yes, it is.
All you're really doing is just flipping it stuff around.
I'm trying to get even harder so I can beat you.
Oh, I didn't even shoot. Keep going. You're supposed to win. I didn't even know I did this. Come on, Johnny.
I'm trying.
Make sure they see it. Yeah, do it like that. Oh, in our next video, guys, we're going to try to do some challenges. It will be a surprise. So check that one out. Anyway.
Brother, I'm almost beating.
Pretty good. Alright, so before the end of this video, I'll tell you who won.
Why can't you stop whispering?
Okay.
What did I got 3 in a row?
Good job.
3 in a row.
I could get that too.
You have to get it.
I'm trying to do the reds right now. It's freaking hard.
That's what you get.
I'll be quiet. It's not like you got anything.
How about you get wrecked and shush?
Oh, you challenged me? Well, of course you did. Challenge. But anyway.
I'm gonna smash this out of your braces now. Before I do it, you're gonna have to speak one more
and also,
word. I'm gonna do it.
Stop, Jonathan. Yeah. To consider who wins, whoever gets the most cubes in a color wins. So make sure you find. Alright, keep going.
Oh. Fine.
No! I thought it was. Oh, come on. What? That. Wow.
I thought you were.
You cheating.
What?
You cheating.
Who?
Come on.
Who? Me?
Guys, I got 6 in a row, and I expected this bottom row to be on point, but it doesn't want to work with me right now.
Be
Just,
quiet.
wow.
It wants
This
to
is...
It wants to trick you.
This is cheating.
Buzzer! Look.
Okay, keep going.
How about you?
Keep it going.
How about you, shush? Then get wrecked, boy.
Oh, it's not like you can wreck me anyway. Stop.
It looks like I can break your thing.
Oh, it's like I can break your neck.
I think I can break your nipples. What, you want to do it again? How about you get wrecked?
Johnny, come on.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. 30.
stop.
30, 40, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,
Alright,
90,
so-
100. But do you think they want to see me
Alright,
counting
so-
to 100?
Probably not, Johnny.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, finisher, 100, and billion.
Oh, what am I doing?
Boy, you're making it wrong. And get wrecked. I can break your nipples in one break. In a little tootsie, little tootsie roll, like.
You can try.
Okay. You want
Nope,
me to do it?
I'm good. I'm
Want
good.
me- You want me to do it?
I'm good.
You want me to do it? You want me to do it? You want me to do it?
Alright, stop. Stop. Come on.
I'm gonna do the yellows now.
Alright. The challenge is gonna end in 5, 4, 3, 2. Doing it right now. 1, 0. Wait, hey.
You don't want to see this. Just give us a little private, please.
Ew, no.
No,
You mean
no, we're talking private. No, it's like this. Give some private, please.
No, come on.
Fine.
Alright, you ready? Tell me in the comments down below who won this round. Alright, let's show them. Ready?
Yeah.
Where's your orange?
Hold on. I know where it is.
Where?
Fine. Don't worry.
I said where?
It's right here.
Alright. So, show 'em. Show 'em. Stop.
Show them in the light.
Okay. And I got...
Red.
So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
I win! I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm pretty sure when we do our next challenge, you'll get it. Well, my poor brother lost.
We're not poor.
Subscribe, like it. If you don't like it anyway.
Well,
Don't listen to the haters out there.
push 1. Yes. Push 9 and 0. No.
Alright. Ready? We're gonna say what? We're gonna say peace. 1, 2, 3.
Peace!